Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I am in the garage with the KTM 390 Adventure and I'll be working on my next modification for this bike. I just recently installed a Tusk branded top rack, so if you're interested in how to install one of those, I'll put a card for that video in the corner. In today's video, I'll be installing a Givi top case, which cost about $167 US at the time of this video. This model is the 34-liter version, which should be the perfect size for my needs. As always, I'll put a link to the parts in the description. I was looking for a case that was big enough for an extra large helmet with all my camera gear attached to it, but small enough that it wouldn't look out of place on my KTM 390. This is one of Givi's lighter weight cases, and it's only rated to carry up to 6.6 pounds. This is fine for what I'm using this case for, but if you're looking to haul heavier weight items, you'll want something sturdier. Inside the case, we have the universal mounting plate that should fit on most luggage racks, the hardware for the mounting plate, the owner's manual, and a spare key. These small screws are used to secure the cover to the mounting plate after it's installed on the luggage rack. To begin the install, I'll need to remove the cover from the mounting plate to gain access to the area underneath. Next, I'll place the mounting plate on my top rack so I can find out what holes line up. I'll need to find areas that have enough room underneath for the mounting hardware. This process was a little bit of trial and error while I located the spots that fit through the top rack. After moving these around a couple times, these are the final locations that I settled with. These locations gave me the access I'll need on the bottom to secure the mounting hardware. I would have liked to have put this mounting plate onto the luggage rack while I was building the luggage rack, but unfortunately I was not able to do that. The mounting plate covers the holes needed to mount the top rack. Next, I'll secure all the mounting hardware. With that finished, I can install the mounting plate cover. Finally, I'll check to make sure my pillion seat has enough room to come off without hitting the mounting plate. Now I can move on to installing the top case. Looking at the back of the case, you can see the two tabs that stick out on the bottom half of the shell. These two tabs will line up with the two slots on the back of the mounting plate. With the case lined up, I'll push it down, and the loud click tells me it's in place. There are two buttons on the back of the case. The bottom one detaches it from the mounting plate. The top button is used to open the case. Also, keep in mind that the key needs to be in here to open and to close the case. You cannot leave this unlocked. For a test fit, I decided to try my largest helmet that I have, which is an extra large Shoei Neo Tech 2, and it fits just fine. I think this case is going to work out great for carrying lightweight items like my helmet and some gear when I'm off the bike. Well, that's about all I have for the Givi top case install today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.